get a much better start to the day. Looking forward to today's ride. Look at that. What a lovely morning. I am really looking forward to today. I'm staying in Drumnadrochit, which is about 20 miles from Inverness. So the plan is to get some breakfast and then head up through Inverness, possibly taking a slight detour to Cromarty, and then from Cromarty back through Dingwall, up through John O'Groats and ending in Thurso. Good morning. I'm just heading south out of Drumnadrochit, heading towards Urquhart Castle, which is about a mile and a half. They have a cafe there and I'm going to try and get some breakfast. Look at the day, look at the view, lovely. There's Loch Ness, all its glory. Well, unfortunately, as far as I can tell, there's no entry to the cafe without going into the museum, which is £16, which is a little bit steep to see around Castle, in my opinion. Especially as I don't have a lot of time to walk around. The other issue is I don't really like leaving my pack on the bike. For long periods of time when I'm not around. So we shall unfortunately skip the cafe, head back to Drumnadrochit. Find somewhere to eat there. So I've got myself a roll and a bottle of water. Apart from Inverness. That's very nice. I'm going to have a roll and bacon and then head off on my way. Hey Cardo, music on. Oh, fuck's sake. windy on that bridge. We're heading towards Cromarty. Oh, lovely little B road. Oh, there's an oil rig. If you can see it from the GoPro. There's an oil rig in the B. Tell you, I need to find somewhere to stop pretty pronto. A little lay-by or something with a little bit of discretion. It's a cafe. Getting close, we're 2 minutes away from Drumnadrochit, and I have to say the road surface has deteriorated somewhat up here. Worst bit I've had. Right, so I have just arrived in Drumnadrochit. So here we go. And it's not like last year when it was so windy you couldn't stand still. Blowing me everywhere last year. But this year, a lot better.
You might take a picture of me.
No, sure.
I'm on my own with two dogs and I've got notes here. No worries. I feel like have the end of the Edinburgh and then some. Yeah, sure. That'd be good.
So, as Drumnadrochit's done, so time to be heading back and heading off. Next stop is the hotel.